Here we're going to be unboxing the Versace 4361 model. This one is going to be the Havana with brown lenses. This frame is unisex. So it comes in the standard Versace black box with the gold Versace emblem and Versace written here. Inside you're going to get the Versace hard case, the Versace cloth in black with the emblem. Comes with the Versace warranty. I'm sorry, this is the just info booklet from the manufacturer, Luxottica, and it comes with the warranty booklet. So inside you're gonna get, of course, the glasses. It has the Versace emblem on the inside. It's kind of too dark. So the frame itself is going to be the Havana plastic or acetate, and then the emblems on the side, it's going to be gold. And the lenses are a brown. It's quite a dark brown. It's non-polarized. The frames are made in Italy. It says here, Versace made in Italy. And on the other side, it's going to have the model information. Technically, the code is kind of like VE 4361, but on the frames they always put a MOD for model. So model 4361. The color code is 5217-73. So the 5217 is the frame color, Havana, and then 73 is the lens color, 73. So with the size in, it's going to be 53mm lens width. It's going to be 18mm lens, the bridge width. It's going to be 36.2mm lens height, and it's going to be 140mm temple length. And with temple length, it's always going to be if it was straightened out. So like if you measure from here to here, it might be less, but if this was straight, it would be 140 total. It doesn't feature spring hinges, doesn't really bow out too much. It is a fixed hinge. So all the metal pieces, like the screws on the hinge, is going to be gold. So this is a unisex frame. I would say it's more of a women's frame. I have a hard time seeing a guy wearing this, but you know, it is mentioned as a unisex frame, but I would tend to go it's probably more women's. But you know, if you want to wear it, whatever. But from the style, it kind of looks more women like. With the weight, it is kind of on the heavy side. Like this part, especially, you feel around here like it's heavy. It's kind of a bulky, like most of the weight is coming from here. Because I guess this piece, it's kind of almost, I mean, it's metal, so it's on the heavier side. But not too much on the front, but for long use it might be a little bit uncomfortable. It's not very lightweight. It's one of the heavier ones. These do retail for $295. I mean, overall, it's a very nice looking frame. The thing with Versace's, a lot of times, you know, they feel kind of cheap. This doesn't feel cheap at all. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that subscribe button and also give this a like. Thank you guys.